Hi, I'm Craig with Ecogate. We're just finishing up at FabTech. We're here demonstrating, amongst other things, Source Capture Weld Torches. This is the Binzel Source Capture Weld Torch for a MIG application. What we're demonstrating, we have the trigger wired to a gate. You open it up, it opens the gate and actuates the vacuum system. It's pretty simple. We can set them up where they run independently, just freestanding, to like a cluster of say 3 or 4 different welders, or we can actually wire them to a controller and a central system where you can run 50 drops, for instance. Pretty simple system, very, very effective. It works really well to meet or exceed the kells for manganese, for instance, when you're using mild steel.